Hello and welcome to this video, and in this video we'll be exploring our recently developed app Gharkharch. So this app is basically all about managing your grocery and laundry. You can add your grocery products which you want to bring from store into this app, prepare a list basically, and same goes with laundry. You can prepare a list of all the laundry items which you want to give in the laundry. So let's go start with grocery. So there are two tabs over here, my groups and my list. You can create a group and then add members in it, and then ask all those members to add the items into that group. So basically this is a kind of contribution which all the group members can make, and then add the items according as per their needs, and then whenever anyone will go to the grocery store, they can bring all those items which are there in the group. And in the my list section, this is your personal list, where you can add all your items. In case if you don't want to create any sort of groups, you can create your own personal list. So I have added one item in this list, and this is the pull down refresh which we have given. Now let's add more number of items. So this is the add item page, and over here also we have given this pull down refresh. Now this page is a very what you can say a beautiful page which we have designed. We have given all the 3 level categorizations in this page, in this one page itself, and all those 3 levels are in the tab layout form, as you can see. Now this is the first level category, this is the second level category, and this is the third level category, and all these categories are interdependent. So as you change the first level category, the second level and third level will change, because accordingly the second level categories will be displayed, and accordingly the third level categories will also be displayed. And as you change the second level category, the third level category also changes. So right now I am on cooking oils, so all the cooking oil related third level categories will be displayed. And when I click on here, then all the ghee and vanaspati related third level categories will be displayed. So this is how user friendly it is, that you can easily change the categories and add multiple items. Then we have also given swipe feature. So as you swipe, you can change the categories also by swiping. So this is one more thing, amazing thing you can say, which we have given. And yes, so this is how the swiping works, and all the third level, first level, second level category can be changed with the help of swipe. Now these are the products. When I click on any particular product, the product detail page will open. I have the variant options also, so the prices will change as per the variant. I can add increase the number of quantity which I want to bring from the store, so I can select the quantity and then click on the add button. If the user don't want to go to the detail page, user can add the items from here also. User can change the variants also. So let's add this item to quantity, click on the save button, and then this item will be added in my list. I can add the items in my group also. So from here I can change that I need to add my item in my sweet home group. So I can select sweet home, and then let's say I'll go to rice and related grains. I'll add this item. So this is how I can add okay, I think it's not added right now. Let me just add once again. So let's go to sweet home, and then from here also you can add the items by going inside the group actually. And yep, rice and related grains, adding the item, clicking on the save button. Okay, entry added successfully, and then as you can see 2 items are there. I can delete the items from here. I can increase the quantity also. I need to click on the save button after increasing the quantity, and you can create more number of groups. Create new group from option is there. In order to create a new group, you need to add members in the group. So what this app does is this app searches in your contact list all those contacts which are having this Gharkharch app downloaded in their handset, only those contacts will be shown over here, not all the contacts. Only those contacts who have Gharkharch app downloaded in their app, only those contacts will be visible. And then you can select the number of members. So what you can do is you can ask all your family members to download this particular app, and then you can create a group of all the family members, and then ask them to add all the items which they want to be brought from the store. And this is how easy things can be managed. View member option is there to view basically all the members of the group. Exit group facility, delete group facility, add more number of members from here, edit the group name. So all those options are being displayed, and here we are showing the total, also total number of items in the group and the total estimate, the prices of all those items. And we have got this share facility also. So let's say that you want to share your product list to so this is how you can share your product list also. All the items will be shared. You can clear all the items if you don't want them anymore. You have bought all of them from the store. You can create a fresh list also. So this is all about the grocery section. Now let's move to laundry section. This section is also having the same feature, my group and my list. Let's go to my list. Here I've already added one item. I can add more number of items also. So let's say that I need to send maybe 3 laundry items. The prices would be maybe 24 rupees, let's say. And maybe the remark would be that I can say 1 or maybe 2 shirt and 1 trouser. Okay, click on the add button, and that's how you can add your grocery items also. Month filter and year filter is there. So let's say that you want to see your previous month list, and you can do so using the filters. Share icon, share option is there. Again, your list will be shared. Delete facility. So these all are the features of this particular app. And yes, you'll be having the change mobile number option also. So let's say that you need to change your mobile number, registered mobile number, then you can do so. Logout option is there to log out of the app. So this is all about this particular app. Thank you.